Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Kman here with another reaction. And we're still here. We're in Trinidad. With another reaction from Kman 6. Kman 6. We're back again with another one from Kman 6. Reason being, drop a Kman 6 reaction for the first time earlier on, and them tell me say, yo, me need to react to Kman 6. Black Rain. So we're there with Black Rain. Now go on it. Now fight it. We're there. Like me say, keep message me. Respect to the Trinity people them and the rest of the Caribbean where I tell me the song them if I react to. Thank you. No? Me see all the comments them, but I can't reply to every comment. You understand? So we're gonna jump in that one and here where the G say let's go. This look like our movie about to start, the Pussyclot. Step I gonna make you know, badness out you know. Black Rain.
Everybody ballin', one try, but the money stalling, but that's how the thing go. That song again.
The flow there. The flow there flow like a river. The flow there current strong. The flow there rude. The flow there stink and dirty, rude. The flow the road. Sick.
When the six them roll, made up a short thing, them one carry. Better stop it talking, net bust no face. Everybody ballin', one try, but the money stalling. But that's how the thing go. Make them no one live this life no more. Won't that up, we left on floor. When you see nobody, we want this war. Everything left, rifle, go low. Head top, chip, front, turn runner. 7 point for your chest plate, no other. No. On floor. When you see nobody, we want this war. Everything left, rifle, go low. Head top, chip, front, turn runner. 7 point for your chest plate, no other. Enough that people on back and it don't bother. Everybody come feel when me all wanna.
Humbuckler. This youth are talented, bro. This youth are talented as fuck. Okay, man, big up yourself, G. Big up yourself, G.
Everybody ballin' one try. When the six them roll, made up a short thing, them one carry. Better stop it talking, net bust no face. Everybody ballin'. Thing them one carry. Better stop it talking, net bust no face. Everybody ballin', one try, but the money stalling. But that's how the thing go. Make them no one live this life no more. Won't that up, we left on floor. When you see nobody, we want this war. Everything left, rifle, go low.
Buckler.
Top chip, front, turn runner. 7 point for your chest plate, no other. Enough that people on back and it don't bother. Everybody come feel when me all wanna. More jail time, cause the more gun we get. Why we said it, all of them done regret. Hell reason I had one done, select 2 rifle, run out like the sing the red.
I'm not saying much because I'm taking everything with the G I said, dog.
Cause the more gun we get, why we said it, all of them done regret. Hell reason I had one done select two rifle run out like the sing the red. For them ends with best fun. Them and the killer, them a yes man. Tribute all of them from.
The man I say, yo, them boy they are not killer, bro. Them a yes man, brother. Them a yes man. Them are no boss. Them are not killer. Them are not stepper. Them not kill nobody.
All of them done regret. Hell raising head, one done select two rifle run out like the sing the red. For them ends with best fun. Them and the killer, them a yes man. Tribute all of them from a section. 6 run the place, killer dark killer.
Man tell me say, how this? I in them a come for? What go on yourself? Child mother calling. Mother boss.
Next one, pre-dark like say a bad intention.
Okay. So I think the Baba them a fought for.
Mark and them swear 10 man. People are dead from me no name mention. Look how much gun me buy them see a devil.
Oh. Let's see what go on here, so. Let's see what go on here. So the Baba set out a G. The Baba set out a G, so came and up on the phone with the G.
Yes man, tribute all of them from a section. 6 run the place, killer dark election. 2 hand dance every day even take long. Just when the war but we want the next one. Pre-dark like say a bad intention.
Yeah girl, I am the last client coming just now. Yeah girl, I'm on the last client that coming just now. What the mother con do, girl? Trini. Sorry. I'm sorry.
One on mark and them swear 10 man. People.
You bring the food right? Trini, sorry again. Can't help myself. I'm sorry. Yeah, girl. I am the last client that coming now. I will bring the food right. Alright, word. That is it. Mother con boy. Let me know how that accent was. If me get that one the right, or that was somebody else's accent. I don't know how accent, but I'm just do it. Never kill nobody alive. Can't catch me down no matter where I try. Headshot for the big fat pussy with the toe guy. Headshot for the big. Hold on. What? Never kill nobody alive. Look how much gun me buy. Them never kill nobody. Lie them a tell. Them a gunman liar. Them a trigger finger liar. Them a gun bag. Man only give them gun for that. Them now I'm not gun. Them a fool. Look how much gun me buy. Never kill nobody alive. Can't catch me down no matter where I try. Headshot for the big fat pussy with the toe guy. Headshot for the big fat pussy with the toe guy. So that could mean two things. Is he talking about the guy where him and him a war? What the guy name again? Me I go tell you. Cause me no want get it wrong, you know. Me no want get nobody name wrong, you know. Is he talking to Plumpy Boss? Cause Plumpy Boss, him say Plumpy Boss is a big fat whatever. Or is he talking to this guy here that is in the barber chair? You see me? I don't know. Who is he talking to? Blood clot. Them kill the Baba too? Baba drop it up. The Baba drop a gun a while ago, you know?
Fuck Prezi, I mean it. Take one.
Fuck Prezi, we mean it.
Fuck Prezi and we mean it. Who is Prezi? Can somebody tell me who is Prezi? I think I see that in the comment section. But I never... Someone refresh my brain again. Who is Prezi? Who was Prezi? Or who is Prezi? Is Prezi dead? Is Prezi still alive? Who is Prezi from? What is... Explain to me, guys. What's going on here?
Take one.
Fuck Prezi, we mean it. We should be nozzle in the face and wail it. Darkness in the air and feel it. Shout 7 and them are rocket sailing. We have big long pill for your feeling. your life don't got no meaning. About 7 lucky place, them dreaming. Them pussy boy dreaming.
About 7 lucky place. Them a dream, brother. Wanna wake up. Wake up on our dream. 7 luck no place. 7 luck no that's how the G say. Not me, Black Rain and Fall, man.
About 7 lucky place, them dreaming. Them pussy boy dreaming. We don't shoot from Cal of hop out. Run you down, clip down fast, so we love the jump. And
so the barber dead too? But I thought it was the barber that was setting the shit up. I don't understand what I'm gonna say. So them kill it.
the fat boys trade, we bound to come. Say you guard up, Keisha, mounted down. What the fuck, boy?
Boy, you guard up. K-shot mount you down. AK shot flick.
You know we will kill all you. I show them where we bad them.
Buckler, the dog, them gonna make step and forward back. Madam mean. Yo. That from the comment section. Let me talk about this first. But it looked like things are very tense over there in the Trinidad space. Things are very tense, it seems that way. And why? I don't know. Who is Prezi? Can somebody tell me who is Prezi, please? Because them say fuck Prezi and they mean it. Grimy track, flow bad, flow wicked, I like it. Big up everybody who tell me if you react to this. Let me know which is the next one to react to now, and I will definitely jump and start react to them. No. You see me? Anyway, big up the Trinidad people, them man. The flow is sick though. The flow is sick. I like the flow. Big up Trinidad people. I'm just gonna leave down. If you enjoyed that one, I want some money. Like on this video, subscribe on there if you're new. I'm gonna see you in the next one for real. No joke.